and we're going to practice these similar figures, okay? Now, once I start doing this, you're probably going to start remembering how to do these, but I still want to show you, okay? So, the way we did this, I'm going to tell you, the strategy is called, what did I call this strategy? In, out, match. That's the name of the strategy, in, out, match. Okay, and you're like, what does that mean? I'm about to show you, okay? So, and you may remember this when I start doing it, okay? So in, out means I'm going to take the smaller one and I'm going to draw it inside the bigger one, okay? So honestly, it doesn't even have to be the exact same size. I'm going to draw a smaller one inside here. Notice, it's not perfect. We're not like designing a house, okay? We're just... Now, any other little marks that I see on this one, I'm going to put on the one inside. So you see how this has two little arcs? And then this one by the R has 3 arcs. And then the V has 1. Any marks I see on the big one, I'm going to put on the little one too. And then I'm going to use that to help me line up where the points go. Okay? So what letter has the 3 arcs on the other figure? D. So I'm going to put a D right there. Okay, what letter has the 2 arcs? F. What letter has the 1 arc? It's B, right? Okay, the C is between the B and the D. The E is between the D and the F. The A is between the B and the F. Okay? So far, so good? Okay. We're going to put an I inside the one that's inside, and I'm going to put an O out here. And then you're going to take your highlighter. If you don't have it right now, it's okay, but this is the strategy. You're going to connect these letters. You're going to highlight these letters to kind of connect them together. Okay? Now it looks kind of like a sassy, it's going like this. Okay? Looks like a little sassy hexagon. I'm sorry. I don't know why I said that or did anything that I just did. I'm sorry, that just happened. Okay. So here's our strategy. Our strategy is in, out, match. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at each of these segments. And also, by the way, we're done with this one now. Okay? So we're going to first figure out, is this segment on the inside shape or the outside shape? And we're going to label it IO. So RS, is it outside or inside? So I'm going to put an O next to it. AB, is that inside or outside? Okay, TU, inside or outside? Outside. And CD is inside. So far I'm good because my O's and my I's are next to each other or above each, top and bottom. Okay, they can either be top and bottom or they can be side to side, but they can't be crisscross. So if these were switched, it would be out because they can't be crisscrossed. Okay. Now I'm going to look and see, does RS go with AB? See how we connected them? Nope, so it's not F. Okay? The next one, we do the same thing. TU is outside. AB is inside. UV is outside. AF is inside. TU. Does TU go with AB? Actually, it goes with AF, doesn't it? And AB goes with AB. Wait a minute, hold on a second. TU goes with AF, and AB goes with UV. Well, what did I just do to that answer? I crossed it off. It's wrong. If I cross through the equal sign, it's wrong. Okay? So let's look at the next one. ST is out. EF is in. WR is out. CD is in. Does ST go with EF? Yes. Does WR go with CD? Yes. So I like this one. Let's just check this last one. WV is out. AB is in. ST is out. EF is in. Okay. WB, wait. WV, does it go with AB? No. What do y'all think? You think you can do this? What's the hard part? To me, the hard part is drawing it. You guys, will you try 36 for me? Try 36, because this is a slightly different one, but we're still going to kind of do it the same way. So we're going to draw it. I'll draw it, and when you're ready, take a look. So we always put the small one inside the big one. And again, I just draw a smaller one. I'm not going to worry about it being perfect. It just has to be good enough that I can figure out where the different sides go. Now this time, instead of labeling letters, I'm labeling numbers. So I'm going to put a 2 here, a B there, a 5 here, and an 8 there. And again, I'm going to take my highlighter, and I'm going to connect, well, I'm not going to use that one though. I'm going to connect the inside and the outside. Okay, so I know what goes with what. And then I'm going to label this one I, and I'm going to put an O out here so I know where the inside and where the outside is. Okay? All right, now, I want you, okay, well, you want me to do this one with you too? Because I'm not using figure 1 anymore. Let's do this one too. And then I'll let you try some. We'll actually go to our homework and we'll try those. Okay? So, it says A and B. Well, first of all, A is outside and B is inside. 8. Okay. Well, there's an 8 on the inside and 1 on the outside, but let's just give them the benefit of the doubt and say they're talking about the outside one. And there's a 2 on the inside. Do A and B go together? Wait, I'm sorry. I don't know what I did there. Do A and B go together? Are they touching? No, so this one's wrong. Okay. What about this? 3.2 is on the outside. 2 is on the inside. A is on the outside. Okay. Okay, so Ms. Schulteis and I had thought about changing some of these numbers. But they do this to you. Okay? So you kind of got to... Okay, usually if there's doubt, that's not it. But let's pretend that we're using these two, out and in. Because that looks like it's right. Okay? So if I've got an inside choice, I'm going to use that one, okay? So does 3.2 go with 2? Yeah. Does A go with 8? Yeah. So this looks like it's the answer. But because you're right, there was some confusion, let's check the other ones. What he was saying was, which 8 are we using? There's 2 8s. Well, if I've got an 8 that's on the inside and I need an inside, I'm going to kind of try that one. Do you see what I'm saying? That's tricky. Okay, so let's try this one. B is inside. 6.4 is outside. 8 is outside and 5 is inside. Well, look at that. The inside and outside aren't together. They have to be together too, so we cross that one out. 2 is inside, 3.2 is outside. B is inside, A is outside. Well, 2 and 3.2 go together, but do A and B go together? No. Okay? What do you guys think? I think you can do this. So let's get out your assignment. Now, first of all, we are not doing number 6. Because I'm just going to be honest with you, I started to draw that and I was like, there's 12 things to label. I'm not about this life. So I crossed that one off. We're going to do 1 through 6. And I'm going to do number 1 with you just to kind of like get us over the top. That means you'll only have 4 to do over the weekend. They're not that hard either, okay? So what's the first step? Y'all tell me what I got to do first. Draw it inside, okay? Yes. And again, it doesn't have to be perfect because all we're doing is trying to just match them up. Okay, and then we're going to label, like, these two are going the same direction, it's obvious. If I had something like this, the second one, then I'd have to worry, but these are just in the same place. So 4, 3, 2, 1, 6. Okay, I labeled this one inside, I label this outside, and then I connect up the things that match. So, matching, 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 matching. And if you wanted to connect them with a pencil, you could do that too. You don't have to use a highlighter to connect them, just as long as you connect them somehow. Okay, what do we think so far? So far, do you match what I got? Okay, so let's take a look. The 8 is on the outside. Where's the 7? Is there one? Then this isn't the answer. There's no 7. So it can't be what I'm looking for. Okay? So let's try again. There's an 8 on the outside. Now there's a 6 on the inside, but I'm going to assume they're probably talking about this other 6 on the outside. Okay? Because there is a 6 inside, but they have these two, so maybe that's what they're talking about. Now, and there's a 3 on the inside and a 4 on the inside. So far I'm lined up good. Now let's look. Does the 8 go with the 3? No, it actually goes with the 4. What about the 6? The 6 actually goes with the 3. So we just crossed that one off. All right. What about this? The 6, there's a 6 on the outside and a 3 on the inside. There's a 12 on the outside and a 6 on the inside. Okay, the outsides and insides are lined up. Does the 6 go with the 3? Yeah. Does the 12 go with the 6? Yeah. So I'm liking C. Since we've only got one more to check, let's check the last one. I don't even know which one to use on this one. Well, there's a 6 and a 2 on the inside, so let's just say the inside ones. Why not? And then there's a 4 and a 6 on the outside too. Right? Does the 6 go with the 2? It doesn't go with any of the 2s, so it can't be right. Okay? Do you guys think you can do the other 4? Okay, good. I want you to do those other 4, and then Monday we're going to do more transformation practice, okay?